friends, Jessie again from More Like Jesus Every Day. And in this video, we're going to discuss from James chapter 4, verses 11 to 12, three hacks to a peaceful life. It might not seem like this, but let's go ahead and see. James says, "Do not speak evil of one another, brethren. He who speaks evil of a brother and judges his brother speaks evil of the law and judges the law. But if you judge the law, you are not a doer of the law, but a judge. There is one lawgiver who is able to save and to destroy. Who are you to judge another?" This can be, a bit taken aback. It might feel like, oh my God, why is James saying like this? It might really hurt us. Yes, in one way, it is to open our eyes and say that we are not supposed to sit in the judgment seat of God, because when we sit in the judgment seat of God, we are actually speaking evil of the law. When we are speaking evil of others, James says we are speaking evil of the law and the judges of the law. So there's only one judge, which is God. It's all about judgment, but you might be thinking, hey, Jesse, why are you telling me this? And what has that got to do with peace? The point I'm trying to make here is whatever God does, whatever Jesus tells us to do, whatever are the do's and don'ts in the Bible, everything is for our own benefit. Just imagine what happens when you speak evil about other people. You boil up inside. You get aggravated, you get angry, you get aggressive. All sorts of bad things go around in your mind. You say things, that you don't want to say. You think bad about others. And what is happening? It's disturbing your own peace. Is that really helpful? So why don't we just leave the judgment to God and live at peace? Because God is the judge anyways. He's the one who's going to judge. We are anyways not called to be judge of other people. Why to even sit and waste our time thinking and judging other people and, speaking evil about them? That is what James is talking about. And that, I feel, is for our own benefit. The best thing for us to do is when there is any inconvenience caused by someone else, instead of talking evil about them, either we go and speak to them and reconcile or resolve the conflict. Many a times when people do or say something, they have their own reasons. Sometimes it is because of what is happening in their own life. And when we sit and speak evil about others or judge people, we lose our own peace. Yeah. So what do we do then? From this scripture portion, we can understand three hacks. One, as Christians, let's not speak evil about others. Let's reflect on the words that we speak about people behind their backs. Okay? Hack two, we as Christians are not called to judge people. Let's leave that to God. Okay? And three, let's operate in love with other people. When we operate in love with other people, we do not sin against the royal law. All right? I hope this video has helped you. And if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.